what's gonna happen is tonight, once all your friends in school see it, that's when you're gonna pay attention. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I saw you on this one guy's page. You were doing pretty good out there.
Yep.
What's happening, partner? Yeah.
How do I adjust the seat?
Left side.
I'm trying to figure it out.
It should be some buttons on the left side.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
What we working on?
I really got to work on parking.
Got to work on parking?
Did my mom tell you that, like, after, I don't know what I'm meant to do on the road test, really, and I want to, like, practice that a little before I,
okay. But parking and then that part. However much time we got left to practice on that, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. But parking main one.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm really bad at parking, dude.
All right, well, we're going to figure it out. First, we want to make sure we get everything together. Let me see how them feet look on that pedal.
My freaking, hold up, my shirt.
Oh, it's all good. Take your time, man.
Yeah.
Big toe through the middle of this pedal. We don't push on there with our whole foot. Make sure that big toe is going through the center of the pedal.
Like that?
Big toe, center of the pedal.
It is on the center, I believe.
Yep, so that's how we adjust our seat. And our heel has to be in the middle so that we can swivel back and forth. We don't want to pick that foot up.
Oh, okay.
Get what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
There you go. So just making sure we got those, because we hitting with our whole foot, we're going to have a problem. We got to have that gentleness we're going to need with that big toe.
Okay, yeah.
Got that?
All right.
We can adjust that steering wheel under the right side. You got that good already? Steering wheel?
Yeah.
All right, what about those mirrors?
Oh, yeah.
Sit over the drive. Hit the road, man.
All right.
Ah, here.
Oh, yeah.
That's all good. Put that left blinker on. Check that blind spot. Bam, let's get it out there. We're going to go work on some parking, man. We can work on parking right here, too. Slow it down, straighten it up. Boom, 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 boom. Line up trunk to trunk. A little bit more.
Yep.
Bam, back it up. Let's get trunk to trunk. We can start it right now.
Okay.
Back it up. We can see here. We can look there. We want our trunks lined up.
I believe
Bam.
Yep.
Once our trunks is lined up, turn the wheel all the way as far as it'll go to the right.
Okay.
Hold it there and look for the curb we're going towards in that driver's side mirror. We're looking for this one.
Yeah. Okay.
As soon as we get that 45-degree angle.
Okay.
A little bit more.
A little more. Okay.
Bingo. Bam. 45-degree angle. Straighten up the wheel. 2 reference points. When yellow get close to curb, we got to stop. Or when our hood is lined up with their trunk, we have to stop.
Yeah.
Let's look at both of those.
I normally go for the trunk.
That'll work. Either one will work. Just want you to know all of them.
Like here?
A little bit more.
Okay.
Bingo.
Okay.
All the way left. Look for that curb to straighten up. Just like magic, man. Right here. It's going to straighten up. Ah, keep it left.
Okay.
Bam. Now straighten her up.
Okay.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Wasn't too bad, right?
Yeah. Doing that on a real road.
Say that again?
Doing that on a real road will be a little difficult, I imagine.
No, it ain't too hard. We're going to try it again.
Yeah.
Bam.
Let him pass.
Oh, yeah, no doubt. You mean tell me you couldn't do this before I got here?
I really couldn't. I don't know what snapped in me. All right.
That looked damn good.
Thank you.
Let's go. Put that left blinker on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to take it out and make a left at the next strip.
Okay.
Check it. We're good.
Am I turning right or
left?
Oh,
you just have to check the opposite direction. Boom, boom, boom. Slow it. Stay to the right.
Yeah.
Slow it down. We're going to back into that driveway to the left.
Oh, right there. Okay.
Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Just a little bit more.
One more.
A little bit more. Bingo. Put it in reverse. Let's work. Left blinker off. Boom, boom, boom. Now, the white lines are going to go in there, right? This is going to tell you where we're going. We can use our camera when we take that test.
Okay.
So long as you see that we're heading in that direction, I now want you to check them outside mirrors as we get it in there.
Okay.
Let's try it. We're going to work them together. Fix the lines, get it up the block. There you go. Get it in there. There you go. To the right a little bit. To the right, to the right. That's left.
Oh, my fault. Oh
Bam,
my God.
bam, bam.
I'm getting nervy.
No, don't do that. You got it. Tap it, tap it. Look in them outside mirrors. Right? It should be straight on both sides.
Yeah.
Tap, 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 tap. Bam.
Okay.
Put it in dry. Let's make a left. Let's get out of here. We're going to go try that again. Check it. Let's roll. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Bam. Bam, bam.
Like there?
Bam. Yep.
Yeah.
Blinker.
Yep.
Bam. Bam. Now check that mirror. Check it out. Boom. Check this mirror now. Look at how it straightens up in this mirror. Start straightening it out. Boom, boom, boom. See that? There you go. Not too far.
Wrong way.
Tap, 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 tap. There you go. Bingo. Drive out right. Blinker on. Boom. Good check. Not too early. Not too early.
Oh, shoot. Whoops. Okay.
There you go. Make it right up here for me.
Every day for like an hour. Just test it out. See how it can do. And over time, I've gotten better.
Okay. Lane change left. We're going to make a left here. Check, check.
Right.
Boom, boom, boom. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Let's see, you got a little swabble on. You can move them hands in the head.
Thank you.
Yeah, some people can't catch them directions that fast. They get scrambled up.
Yeah.
Be like, oh man, that's too quick. They be like right here, and while they sitting there, they passing it. I'm like, just say you scared.
Yeah.
Another opportunity. You got this one on your own. How you do it?
Right.
Yeah.
Good, or did I do too far?
Keep it left a little bit more, just so we can line it all the way up. Bam. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And we on. As long as you know them steps and you're moving it, we're good to go.
Am I not allowed?
Bam. Let's do it. Check it, check it. We out first right. There you go. Bam, bam, bam. Let's see how you're making that left, man. How did you find out about me?
My mom did, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Let's see that left. Bam. Where we looking? There you go. Not too bad. Give me another left coming up. There you go. Blinker. Okay, yeah, we can't do that. You have to make sure you're checking in that opposite direction before you make that turn.
Yeah.
As we was making a left, you was looking like.
I realized I forgot to adjust this real quick.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Let's roll. Let's see how you're making this left. When you're finding your gap, you're getting out there with the appropriate speed.
What is happening here?
Oh, wee. There you go. Not bad. Keep it rolling. We're gonna make a left at the light. How are we doing that? Okay, one little tip there. We don't slow down on those lane changes.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Get it in first, then slow it down,
Okay.
right? Because we got traffic coming. They're gonna be on your head.
Right.
We're gonna lane change to the left. We're gonna do that Michigan U-turn and stay towards that outside. So bam, get it in there, stay towards that first lane right here. Bam. I like it better when they got it, you know, lined off so you can see where you're supposed to stay. Bam, bam, bam. Up, green, bam. Just like that. Bingo. You would have went into that, but we're going to come here anyway. Lane change right. But make sure you know that, right? This is a turning lane. We're going to go up here and make that right. Change to the left. Check, check. Left. There you go. Stay close to the island. We're going to work our way around. Close to the island. Inside island. Slow. Left. 1, 2. There you go. Good stop. Once it's clear, remember we're getting back in the lane closest to that left island. There you go. You do these a lot?
A little bit.
Do it again. This time stay towards the outside. I want to see how you do it going that way now. Towards that stop sign. Boom, boom. There you go. There you go. Good stop. And this time we're getting in that center lane. Another fail. Center. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Outside, go outside. Inside, stay inside.
Okay.
We'll get it though. We're gonna keep it rocking. There you go. Stay to the right. Lane change to the right. Check, check. There you go. Now we're about to get on this freeway. Make sure we slow it down around this curve up here.
Yep.
Bam. Curve it, gas it through. You're looking in the outside mirror. Stay there. Good job. Pick it up. There you go. Do you drive the freeway a lot?
Never really.
Okay.
So, oh my God.
You got it. Pick up that speed. Just focus ahead. Now put that left blinker on. There you go. Check it, check it, check it, check it. Ease her in there. Just like that. Great work.
I hate getting on the freeway so much.
You do? You did a good job though.
Thank you, man.
Just gotta make sure you calm it down, know where you're looking, what you're looking for, and get it on out there.
Yep.
Let me see you lane change to the left for me. One safe. Go. Keep it rolling. How you feeling?
Nervous, but I should have it.
All right.
Should be good.
You got it. We're going to be lane changing to the right once these solid lines become broken again.
Yep.
Bam. We're going to lane change to the right again. Bam, we're exiting. Yep, one more time. Bam, get it in there. Keep it rolling. Keep that speed up. We don't stop here.
Okay.
They got to stop for us. We got to keep that speed all the way off. Stay in our lane. Lane change to the right. Check, check. Boom, boom, boom. One more time. To the right again. Yep. Bam, right there. Slow it down. Keep it rolling. Kill the signal. Don't stop next to people's cars. Bam, right there. Nice gap. Boom, right there. How did it feel? On and off, man.
Thank you.
Check it. Get her in there. Keep it rolling. Kill that signal. And you're on the freeway, man.
Yeah.
So what would you say to other people that's nervous about getting out here on the freeway?
I tell them I'm really nervous about it and that I hate getting on the freeway.
Oh, what advice would you give them so that they'd be able to get out there and at least try?
You just gotta go for it, man. You can't really hesitate or be like nervous or anything because I'm nervous right now. You just gotta not think about it. You just gotta go.
Got it.
Yeah.
Get to it. I'd be wanting the perspective of people who are new to it and still learning it, right? That way other people can, you know, relate.
Yeah.
When we're passing these entrances, look in this outside mirror. Make sure no one else is coming on with us.
Okay.
And good job. Keep your distance away from that truck. Because we lose that battle every time right there. This little car can't do nothing with that.
Yeah. Okay.
We we keep it rolling. How you making that? Damn, how did that feel? Slow it down, parallel park.
Oh, okay.
Line it up, trunk to trunk. Closer. Slow it. Bingo. Right blinker on. Bam. Boom, boom. Bam.
Mile on.
Bam. There you go. Bam. Bingo. Bam. Bingo. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Bam.
Okay.
See that?
Yep.
It's not too hard, man. Just got to know when and why and where.
Yeah.
Left blinker on, let's roll.
Wait.
Yep, blinker on. Make sure you check before you go to. Hold it down. There you go, keep it rolling. We're gonna make a left. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, we still can't even do that. That ain't gonna put us there either. Oh, yes, it will.
Well.
Yeah, we're gonna go up here and make it right. And when you make this right, be looking to get over to the left, because we're gonna make a left past that freeway. Bingo. Lane change left. Right here, right here. That'll work.
Okay.
Nope, here.
Here?
It was already here. Yep, hold it down.
Okay.
Once we pass the freeway, we'll get over.
Okay. My fault.
That's cool.
That was really weird.
That would have been the same thing, honestly. We'll just get in up there.